Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing this brown glamour eyeshadow look with this very bold matte gray lip. And if you want to see what all products I used and how I used them, then just keep on watching. I do have a Valentine's giveaway going on right now and you have all the way to February 25th to enter that. I will leave that little card right here in the corner, and I also have it in my description box, and it will be at an end card at the end of this video. And this look was inspired by one of you guys, one of my subscribers. And if you want to send me a picture of an inspirational photo that you would like me to recreate, then just DM me on Instagram and I will allow that comment or that message, and I will put it in one of my upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's just get on to this video. The first thing I'm using is my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. Then I'm going into the ColourPop QAF, which is also called Yes Please palette, and I'm going to use that first color. I think it's called Full Zip. It's like a cream vanilla looking color just to set the brow bone area. And then I'm going into a transition color, which I believe is called Champs. And I am putting that around my crease area. Then I'm going in with this matte brown looking color, which I believe is called French Kiss. And I'm putting that on the outer and inner V of the eyelids. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Life is a Festival palette, and I am using the color Unicorn Tears right in the center of the eye for the glamour part of this eyeshadow look. Then I'm going in with my Flower Beauty eyeliner to create a cat eye. And then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Then I'm going in with my combination of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and my It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer to create the perfect foundation for me. Then I'm going to use my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder to set the face. And then I'm going in with my Revolution Strobe Luxe palette, and I'm going to use the bronzing shade to bronze up the face. Then I'm also going to use the highlighter out of this same palette to highlight with. Then I'm going back in with the CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder to just, I don't really know what to call this process, but to clean up my bronzer area. Then I'm going back in with the ColourPop palette using that French Kiss color again to set my brows or to fill in my brows. Then I'm going to get that loose powder off my face. And I'm going in with my Smashbox Pucker Up Lip Palette, and I'm using that gray punked color for the base of my lip color. Then I'm going in with my Revolution Smokey palette, and I'm using that matte gray color to just set down that other gray that I put on my lips. This is more like a brown, purplish matte color. And then I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue and my Kiss Classic eyelashes. going back in with, or going to the ColourPop Zodiac palette and using the Capricorn color to like do my eyeshadow outline. I don't know what to call that. And then I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this brown glamour eyeshadow look with these bold lips. Thank you so much for the subscriber that sent me the DM on Instagram. And like I said before, don't forget, if you want to give me an inspirational photo, I will try to do my best, and I will use the products I already have in my collection and try to recreate it in my own way. And don't forget about that giveaway. I will have it in my description box below and also on an end card. All the products that I used on my face today will be in my description box also, along with the links and most of the prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!